Hi everyone, welcome to Java Fever. Today we are going to start new topic which is related to encapsulation. So it is very important according to interview. So it's one of the pillar of OOPS concept. So we are going to start this topic. We are going to understand this topic today. So let's get started. Understanding of OOPS. So this is the graph. This is the architecture of OOPS concept. So object class inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. These all are the pillars of OOPS concept. So we are going to concentrate on encapsulation into the lecture. Okay, so our focus will be on encapsulation. In previous video we have covered abstraction and polymorphism, so you can go and we can watch. So we are going to understand what is encapsulation. So we'll start from core to advanced. So encapsulation is a fundamental concept in object oriented programming, OOP, and is widely used in Java. So it is a part of OOPS concept. It is a pillar of OOPS concept. Okay, so it is a concept. So Java also follow OOPS concept. So encapsulation is defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit. Okay, so we wrap up one data inside a single unit. It is a mechanism that binds together code and the data it manipulates. So it's bind the code and data together. Another way to think about encapsulation is that is a protective shield that prevents the data from being accessed by the code outside the shield. So actually, we made the shield for with your data members and variables. Encapsulation involves restricting direct access to some of the object's component, which is way of preventing unauthorized or unintended interferences. Okay, so it restricts your direct access of your data. So it prevent unauthorized access of your data. Okay, so it will be always better to use encapsulation. Okay, if you are doing programming. So how can we do in Java, and how can we achieve encapsulation with the help of the Java code? So we'll see after this slide, and we'll understand and how we make encapsulation in how we achieve encapsulation in Java. We are going to see. So data hiding. So encapsulation allows you to hide the internal state of an object from the outside world. Okay, so you are hiding your internal state from outside of a world. This is typically achieved by making the object field variable. Okay, achieved by making the object field which is variable private. Okay, so in Java, how can we achieve the encapsulation? We can make all the fields which is variables as a private and providing public method to access and update values of these fields. Okay, so we are going to make all the variables private and all the method we are going to make public. Okay, so like this we can achieve. So private, that means the you can't access outside of class. If you are making the private variable, if you want to if you want to use that variable, so you can use with that of only getters method you can fetch the value. Okay, so we'll make all the getters and setters method public for achieving the encapsulation, and all the variables we are going to make private and control access by providing getter and setter method. Same thing just now we have discussed. Okay, so by providing getters and setter method we can control how the data is accessed and modified. It ensures that the data is accessed in a controlled manner and can prevent invalid data from being assigned. Okay, so just now we have discussed about this getter and setter method, and improves maintainability and flexibility if you are using encapsulation improves the maintainability of the code because it separates the internal implementation details from the external interface. It also make it easier to change the internal implementation without affecting other part of code that rely on your public interface. Okay, easier to change the internal implementation without affecting other part of code. Enhanced security. Encapsulation helps in protecting the integrity of data by preventing unauthorized or incorrect modification. This is particularly important in applications where data security and integrity are critical. So we can also achieve security with the help of this encapsulation. So we are going to see encapsulation example. So how can we achieve encapsulation in Java? So private. So we have one class which is person class. Okay. So we have name and age. So what we did here, so we have declared name and age private. Okay, so this is our first concept. So we have made all the variables as private, and if you want to assign, if you want to the value of your fields, then we are assigning with the help of constructor. Okay, name and age. So with the help of the constructor, we can also assign, and we are making all the setters and getters method public. Okay, so if you want to get the fetch the name, so we have get method get name. If you want to uh, get the if you want to fetch the value of age of that person, then you can fetch with the help of the get. So all the getters methods are public here. Okay, and all the setters methods, the setters method which is set name and set age. So the access specifier for set name and set age is also public. So all the methods will be public and all the variables will be private here. Okay, why we are making private variable? Because you can't access directly outside of class. So if you want to access, then you have to make the object of that class, and then you can access. Okay, method to display person details. Okay, so we have declared one method. How can we fetch the, how can we print the age and name? So we have declared here. And how can we call with that of the main method? We will see. So we have created one object of person and access and modify the private fields using public methods. Okay, so here person dot get name. Okay, so with the help of this in person dot get age, we can fetch the name and age of that person. Okay, if you want to set, then you can set with the help of the like this set name and set age. Like this you can set the person detail. Okay, if you want to display, you can display like this. Okay, so no need to do direct person dot name and person dot age. Okay, to get the value or to set the value. So that will be not the uh, right way to use. Okay, so like this we can achieve encapsulation in Java. That means we are making the all the variables as private and all the methods as public, and we are binding together all the data member and variable to achieve encapsulation. So this is the way by which we can achieve encapsulation in Java. I hope you understood the point. If you have any doubt, then please comment. We can discuss. And thanks for watching. If you're loving my effort, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.